What's up, man? This is Cam and Dan, Yin Yang Adventures. We out here again.
Back at you live.
Yeah, we out here with nature or not. But speaking of nature, bro, what's that over there? Like,
Hold on, bro.
Like,
Hold on, bro. Go check it out,
hey,
bro.
I don't think you should do that. Like, that's not a safe idea. You know, I don't think it's a good idea.
Hey, bro. What is this, bro? Please explain this to me now.
Bro, I don't even know. Further on.
It might be some alien technology.
Bro, you know aliens will not come to the hood.
Bro, I've seen E.T., bro.
I've seen Lilo and Stitch too, but they don't mean nothing.
I might pick it up.
Greeting, Earthlings. We have now taken over.